Here's the fastest way to kill the conversion rate on a sales page. Write the way they taught you in school. Be formal, be boring. No one sounds like they taught us to write at school. And that's a problem on a landing page because we buy from people we trust. And we trust people who sound like us, human. Maybe you didn't feel like a good writer at school, and that's great news if you've been thinking about adding copywriting to your skills. You already sound like a real person. You already know how to talk to other real people. And at some point, you've probably already convinced someone to do something for you. To be a copywriter, all you need is someone to show you how to put all that on the page. Then the most valuable thing that person can show you is not how to write. The secret sauce of persuasive writing is not apostrophes and commas. The secret sauce of successful landing pages is knowing what to write. When someone can show you what to write, you're 90% of the way home. Add the 10% you already know and you're there.